So I was thinking about making you guess what's inside this box, but since you already saw the thumbnail and the title and you click, yeah, it's not gonna go anywhere. But hi, my name's Gerald. Today I'm gonna be talking to you about the brand new Apple TV 4K 2021 version, 6th generation, 6th gen. I ordered mine the day that it was able to be pre-ordered. And then life happened and I had a bunch of stuff going on, so I'm just getting to it now, so don't judge me. Golly, come on. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up and let's take a look and see what we got. Can you see me? Yee, doggy Jethro, look at there. Yeah, that's probably not gonna work. That's just my down south Cajun Beverly Hills attempt at a joke that probably really tanked. But anyway, let's go ahead and take it out of this ugly little box. I gotta say, I was expecting a little bit prettier box. Everything else, you know, Apple users are always like, we never throw away the box because, you know, maybe one day I'll need it to sell my used stuff on eBay. This ain't pretty, so I'm not keeping it. 2 points. Got my handy dandy box cutter right here, Cajun version. So on the back, it has a little bit of writing. I'm gonna read that to you. The ultimate cinematic experience. Enjoy stunning 4K HDR picture quality and immersive Dolby Atmos sound. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, that was a little anticlimactic. Shazing! It's got a, wait, no, it's got some specs on it. Shazing! That's much better, isn't it? I guess this is the box that's supposed to be pretty that I'm supposed to keep, but we'll see. Go ahead and pull this little puppy off the bottom. That was a little satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. The sticker. The sticker you throw away as the logo. I guess that's just a result of being I don't know. All right, details. Okay, there's another one on the back. Let's pull that off. Ooh, very satisfying. Really? I'm filming. Couldn't you behave? All right, on the back I got the power supply input, the HDMI input, and the Ethernet input. And there you are. This thing is gonna like fingerprint smudge real quick. So let me stop handling it and put it down. The rest of the box, let's get to it. The brand new Siri remote. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen. It's very pretty. All right, so we have on here, no, I can't give away the barn before. Let me just finish unboxing, then we'll talk about the features. Ooh, we have the little, I don't know what this is. Okay, it's just a little instruction pamphlet. And then obviously we have the PC Band-Aids. I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for that comment. I'm just having fun, guys. PC's not terrible. It's actually hard. No, I'm picking. I have PC as well, I have one. I'm not gonna get any further into that. I'm gonna get myself in trouble. We'll review some PC stuff on this channel as well. Don't worry, it's coming. A lightning cable to charge the remote, power cable, and I believe that's that. Hello? Anybody else home? No. That's it. So in comparison to the previous model, it's pretty much the same size, but let's go ahead and talk about the features of this puppy. This year's model comes with the A12 Bionic chip, so it should be much quicker and able to process a lot more than its predecessor. The new Siri remote, which I'm looking forward to trying this out. This new Siri remote, right here, this trackpad, you can scroll up and down on it. Also, you can just use the clicks, and then to fast forward and rewind, you actually go around this circle. Comme ça, as we say, and down here in the Cajun South, that's French for like that. You can fast forward and rewind a lot easier. Before, you had to click on it and start swiping left and right, and sometimes it wasn't so sensitive. It would just like wouldn't work, and all of a sudden you were 20 minutes into it, further than you'd want to be. So I'm excited to try out this little fast forward and rewind. The Siri button itself is on the side now. You see that's right here. And the new Apple TV remote has the ability to turn your TV on and off. Audio sharing lets you connect up to 2 AirPods to the Apple TV 4K, and it will stream the audio straight to you. So if you have kids going to bed, or somebody's taking a nap, or you just want a little quiet time without being bothered, pop them suckers in, connect them up to here, and you can enjoy without bothering anybody else in the room. For the avid home theater users, the Apple 4K TV is compatible with Dolby Vision as well as Dolby Atmos. And Dolby Atmos, for those of you who are not familiar with that, it brings 3D to the world of audio. With regular 5.1 or whatever your setup is, it can be much more than that, but we'll just go with 5.1. Your helicopter in the movie would take off over here, and you could hear it flying, let's say, across the room diagonally, or front to back, left to right, all of that. Height speakers are included in Atmos, which turns the experience even more immersive and brings in the 3D function of audio. Basically, the audio is 3D. Dolby's version of this is Dolby Atmos, so now the helicopter can take off, come and go above your head, and then land behind you lower. So you'll hear the audio going up and down, as well as the front, back, left, right. It's really cool. This also has HDR, which is gonna be really great for popping them colors. And speaking of color, now you can use your iPhone in unison with the Apple TV 4K, and you can do what's called color balance. You basically hold your phone up to the TV that this is connected to, your actual television. It will balance those colors. Really, it's calibrating using your iPhone instead of doing it manually via the settings on your TV. The Apple TV itself will change its output settings to balance the colors based on the app on your iPhone being used in conjunction with this. So I want to get your input on this. Shoot me a comment down below. What do you think about the differences between the previous Apple TV 4K and this Apple TV 4K? Now, a little later, I will be doing a more in-depth review. I want to spend some time with this puppy right here, and I'll probably do maybe a 1 month or a 6 month review of it, my thoughts then after using it for quite a while. So keep an eye out for an updated video of this right here. In the meantime, I really appreciate you guys checking out my video. If you would hit like, subscribe to this channel, that really help me out. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate having y'all. I hope you have a blessed day, and we'll see you next time.